AMC family.
I'm gonna tell y'all right now, before this video gets started, we about to do something. Well, I'm about to do something I ain't never did before. I don't even know how to feel about it, so.
We're about to go on a helicopter ride, y'all. I have never been on a helicopter, but I have been on an airplane multiple times. But, I mean, I'm not really scared.
I ain't never flew. I ain't never traveling nothing but a boat and a car. So, yeah. I'm scared. Yeah, I'm scared.
We gonna let y'all know. Well, we gonna show y'all while we up in the air. But, you scared?
Yeah, I'm scared. I just said so.
All right, y'all. What you say you about to do, Terrence?
If I don't make it off this helicopter, I love y'all.
Hold on. I don't know how y'all see this video, but if we don't make it, but
I know, right? That's the crazy thing. I'm about to tell my people on Facebook everything.
He get more anxious while he waiting, y'all. But all right. Hey, MC family. So we were going to go to the helicopter ride today, but we wanted to give y'all some good content. So we said we're gonna wait till tomorrow so y'all can actually see us. Like, they make videos that we can pay for. We're gonna do that tomorrow. But now we are at the Wax Museum, and you guys are gonna
go see our favorite stars.
Yeah.
I ain't never been to Wax Museum. I don't think they look like. I don't know.
We're gonna see, and we're gonna let y'all see too. What's up, Eddie? Eddie Murphy? Ooh, take a picture of Eddie Murphy, babe. Okay, Eddie and Terrence. Yeah. Morgan Freeman, this definitely don't look like him. That's actually look kind of creepy though.
Look like Robert Downey Jr. though. You know what it is?
No.
Iron Man.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, he looks scary.
Will Smith and Angela Jolie.
That don't look like no Will Smith, I know that. Maybe a little bit. Sandra Bullock and Ben Affleck. This looks so creepy. Like, look like they're looking at you, don't it? Johnny Depp. Phone booth. I don't know which one's supposed to be Elvis. That's why I just kept walking. Y'all, I really look like these things are about to come alive. No, for real.
I'm running out of here.
Who's this? Harris Ford. What he play on?
I have no idea.
They're like pirates or something. Yeah, I don't know. Oh yeah, Dwayne Johnson. The Rock. Is these? I wonder if these are they're real height. You think so? Cause he's taller than you. Oh, staring contest.
I was eyes on that.
She saw you. Mark Wahlberg. No.
Yeah, thank you.
No, who that?
You said no?
No.
Four brothers?
Oh. Maybe because they don't look that real.
Looking for you? They done got on the elevator.
Huh?
And somebody,
You don't know.
strangers
You don't know.
who was that?
I don't know.
We trying to find who disappeared.
Right, that looks horrible.
That did my boy Vin Diesel like that. Come on.
He's a cancer. A Taurus.
Yep.
Okay, Playboy.
Boy, you helped me, see? See, you a player just like me.
Oh, don't play with me. Don't play with me. Cameron Diaz. Look at her toes. What if she just kicked me? Y'all, Snoop look real. They look pretty good. Snoop. Oh, he's a Leo. Oh, what the Snoop is a Leo like me. Oh. He a Libra like you. And she a Leo like me. That's cool, right? Cool.
Oh, I didn't think you were talking about that.
Carrie Underwood. She's a Pisces.
Yeah, man, now your boy on the cam, man. I patrol it because somebody's scared. Sure it is. She's scared of this, y'all. Look at what she's scared of, y'all.
Can we skip that scary thing we used to pay for?
Nope. Sure, well, what we gonna skip when we pay for it? Then we're gonna skip it for.
Bro, you are right. You gotta stop that thing falling.
Y'all, she's scary, yo.
Come on, babe.
Look at her. We got this guy. We got my boy Dracula. Look at her holding my arm, y'all. She's so scary. It's okay, baby. I ain't gonna let nothing happen to you. Yeah, we ain't gonna say nothing too much about him. That legend. I ain't never heard of that. Looks like the devil to me, don't it?
Yo, you wanna walk the slowest in this one. I don't understand. Come on, man.
She's scared, y'all. Predator. You scared?
This is not the scary part yet. I ain't worried. Ooh. Hey, walk so slow. Come on.
I'm following you.
No, you're trying to scare me.
How I'm trying to scare you? She's scary, y'all.
Oh.
Got Tom Cruise. Oh boy, Bruce Lee. I don't really look like Bruce Lee, but we'll give it a pass. Look more like Jackie Chan. Yeah, hold the camera. Never mind, I got it. No, you take it.
Tag me in the back. Cause I can't post it on my story right now. Why they got this empty place over here? You hear me, babe? Why this empty spot right here? Why is it empty right here?
She is corny. You are a corn.
We got Jamie Foxx. Hey, Jamie Foxx. Can I have your glasses? Oh, they come up for real. We got Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson.
Video on Facebook, we just standing there like this. Y'all the girls are passing out.
Y'all, we got Bob Marley. We got Tupac. Where's Tupac? Man, give me with Tupac. Give me with Tupac. We got Justin Bieber. Oh. Is it too late now to say sorry? And I know, is it too late to say sorry? We got Kevin Hart. I wonder if he really this tall. Cause if he is, I wonder if he's this tall for real.
Probably is. That was like him though.
Huh?
Okay, that don't look like him.
A little bit. Got our boy, Bruno Mars. Got Eminem. Oh, here we go, too, back. Got our boy Scarface.
His name Al Pacino.
Yeah, we got Whitney Houston. Okay, girl. We got Rihanna. Hey, Rivers. We got Beyonce. Ew, they did her dirty. We got Katie.
Alright, so y'all, we in the mirror maze. Oh shit, I'm about to fall down. Y'all. I got it with you.
Woo! Woo! Is it twisted?
Girl, walk straight. What?
Mine finger. Where you go first?
Oh yeah, I'm walking on this side. Y'all see that?
So freaky. Oh, here we go.
Alright, that's a mirror. Alright.
This one. Oh. Wait, open.
Look, I'm looking retarded. Look at me, y'all. Oh, what that? Oh, see?
This way again. Over here. Oh, my. Oh, gosh.
We might need to take that emergency exit.
No, for real. I see people. What side are they on?
Yeah, go on and walk through there.
Shit, that's the wrong way.
We just came in.
I'm trying to get the fuck out of here.
Take that emergency exit. Look, I better pay attention. Look, I'm being walked right behind. Uh-oh.
Nope.
Alright, so y'all, we made it out. Come on, Scary Cat.
I like walk some stuff first. Go ahead.
I'll never look in a mirror again.
Ooh, we did it.
Good morning, NT family. Say good morning.
It's cold in here.
Very cold. We're at IHOP. We're riding the helicopters today. You can tell we cold. We've got our masks on and jackets on in the restaurant. And hoods on. But today we're gonna be riding the helicopters. And we're about to eat and yeah.
If we ever get our food.
Right. Yeah, we'll show y'all our food when it comes out. Bye.
Yeah, when it come out.
Oh, y'all, yesterday we went to Hot Stacks. Y'all know our favorite place. Y'all will never guess how much that breakfast was. So sad, right, parents? But alright, guys. Okay, chicken. We started eating, but this is our food. I had grits, eggs, bacon, and cinnamon stack pancakes. Terrence had buttermilk pancakes and an omelet that he built himself. And we already started eating because we've been waiting for so long, so we were starving. But yeah, this is our food. So the helicopters we're gonna be riding, y'all. I don't really know if you can hear me, but yeah, no one's gonna be riding.
I'm scared now.
Thick thighs, tongue, equals me. I don't think y'all can hear me, so I'ma just give it to y'all. Well, y'all see our video when we're on here.
Comment, like, subscribe, baby. We out here.